Hello, dear future homeowners! Celine here, licensed real estate broker. And for today, I'd like to share with you yung contract signing namin ng SPA ng USA-based client ko. I'm really grateful for her trust and confidence in me na nag-reserve kaagad siya last Saturday without even seeing the model house in person or even yung SPA niya, hindi pa din niya nakikita yung model house. Nakita lang nila ang model house yesterday after our contract signing. And I am so happy na gandang-ganda sila sa bahay and tama daw ang pinili ng kapatid nila. Siyempre, lahat naman ang ino-offer ko sa mga clients ko, mga best deals. Kaya lagi ko rin naman sinasabi sa kanila, if may budget din sila, better get a unit here in Madonna Residences kasi sa kanila na rin mismo nanggaling na ang ganda ng layout at ang ganda ng interiors. Plus, sobrang ganda talaga ng location since Madonna Residences is in between the two prime cities in Pampanga, which is Angeles and San Fernando. Tapos malapit pa siya sa lahat, malls, government offices, banks, hospitals, schools, churches, since it's 400 meters away from MacArthur Highway. So if I were you, mag-reserve na po kayo bago kayo maubusan at habang meron pa kaming malalaking lot sizes. Mas malaki sa standard lot size natin na 164 square meters. Message us so we can assist you better. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Have a nice city day!